Hello guys, welcome to SheetMetric. So today we will learn about how to draw organization chart in Google Sheets in pretty quick 2-3 steps. I have seen people drawing org charts in through multiple boxes and then arrows, etc. So it's time consuming. It's very straightforward in Google Sheet. So before moving to that, so what is a organization chart? So organization chart shows the relationship between a set of people, usually hierarchical relationship it shows in the organization. Family trees is also a kind of a organization chart. So what I mean by all this, how does it look like? So it looks like this. I'm sure most of you must have seen these kind of chart in your organizations. So we will see how to draw these kinds of chart. Okay. So let's directly start here. So so one of the key requirement of drawing org chart in Google Sheet is that data should be in this format. The first should be the subordinate, or the second column should be parent or superior, or you can say this is child parent relationship. The first column should be child and the second column should be parent, and then third column should be tooltip. Means when you hover around that particular box, so what will it, so what I mean by this, I mean this. Okay, so when I am hovering over HR specialist, it is showing Siddharth Rao. So this is in tooltip. So column number three. So column three is optional to tooltip, but your subordinate and superior relation should be intact, or child parent relation should be intact, and it should be always in this format. So many a times, what happens that your data will remain in any another format, like you might have data in this format. Here the first column would be employee ID, then employee name, then title. So when you will start going converting it into org chart, so it will not work directly because it needs data in that format. If the data is not in that format, either you need to rearrange it through the columns, or you need to change the range in the org chart. Hope you are liking our content, and if you have not liked and subscribed SheetMetric is yet, please do that. Okay. So so these are the three columns. Okay, and here I will go to insert chart. Okay, so so by default it adds a column chart. So you need to change it to org chart here. Okay. Now here it has taken reports to etc. as well. So then I need to identify it as use row 4 as a header, or I can adjust the range here and remove the row number 4 from this range. Okay. So this generates as a beautiful org chart here. You can adjust the chart, you can change the color, etc. Even the size of the chart you can adjust over here. So like this is medium, you can make it large, you can make it small. So usually when you would be dealing with the org charts are usually very big in the organizations, and like if you have 1,000 employees and you want to capture that in org chart, possibly that will become very clumsy in Google Sheets. So in that cases, either you need to bifurcate into a smaller departments and then work around it, or you need to use a different tool to manage it. If it is manageable on a sheet, then you can try to adjust the size if it fits into a screen, or you can take a print of it, or you can download it over here either in PNG format or PDF format. Okay. Uh, Also, the tooltip functionality, the third column. So you need to select the chart, then you need to hover over here. So this is showing the name, who is this HR specialist, who is IT specialist. Okay. So there is also another format like this, where You want to show relationship between subordinate and superior in the form of name, and you want your designation as your tooltip option. So this depends upon use case, how you are planning to portray the information in org chart, and then you can adjust it accordingly. Okay, go to insert, go to charts. By default it will take column chart. You need to go and okay, use row 24 as a header. Either you can do this to remove the header fields, or you can change the range over here. Okay, you can also adjust color, etc. Like if you want to manage it with the brand color, your company brand color, etc. So you can do it. When you have your actual employee and manager relationship data in any another format, then either you need to change the data in the format like subordinate, parent, and tooltip option, either through lookup, or you need to adjust the range in the sheet accordingly. So thank you guys for staying tuned with Sheet Metric. Please do like and subscribe if you're liking our content. Thank you. Bye.